Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Hello everyone, this is Meghana from getsoftwareservices.com. At GSS, we provide extensive training on various software testing topics like QA, automation, mobile automation, business analyst, SQL, etc. Please do visit our website at www.getsoftwareservices.com for more details. So in this video, I'm going to brief you about what is quality assurance, why quality assurance is required, and what is the scope of QA in the current job market. Right? So let's get started with the session. So before we know what is quality assurance, let's break it down. First, let's understand what is quality. The quality is defined by a software's ability to match the user need. As in, whatever software is developed, it should meet the quality expectation of the customer. The design, functionality, durability, reliability must match with the user expectation. That is what defines the quality of a software. Then what is assurance? Assurance is the confidence that you give that the product or a service is going to match the expectation of the user. It is going to work without any major issues. So you're giving a confidence to the user saying that the quality of the software is going to match their expectation. So that is what is assurance. Now let's put both of this together. What is quality assurance? So when we put both of this together, quality assurance is where you ensure that the software fulfills the user need. It focuses on delivering the product by performing the task in the right way. You follow the right process to deliver the right product to the customer. That is what is quality assurance is all about. It will ensure that the process that you are following to develop a product is correct. So when you focus on the process, the end product is going to be a good one. That is what quality assurance is all about. Now let's understand why we need quality assurance. So quality assurance is based on this basic principle. If the process is carried out correctly, then the end product will be of high quality. If you follow a standard process to develop any software, the software is going to be a good quality software. And quality assurance will ensure that we can find issues in the software before they become larger. You find issues then and there itself, fix it before it proceeds to the next stage of software development. The sooner it is fixed, the cost involved in fixing the software is also less. So that is why quality assurance plays a very important role in software development, because it improves the quality of the software significantly. And these days, the quality of software is what matters. Since there is a lot of competition in the market, customers demand for a software which is of good quality. So when the quality of the product is good, it helps the organization to build the reputation. And there's also a customer trust. Customers are going to trust the organization. They know that, okay, whatever they're going to deliver is a good product. It helps to build the business in software industry and also reduces the risk of software failure. So that is why quality assurance is very important in any software development, because a good quality software, happy customer. Now, what are the best practices we can follow as part of quality assurance? What are the process that can be followed to implement QA in the software development? So involve QA from the beginning. So many years back, testing or quality assurance they were done at very minimum level only after the software was developed. The QA comes into picture only after the software is developed. But now it is not the case. You involve quality assurance right from the beginning. You follow the right process from the beginning. So that way you can find issues in the beginning of software development. You can correct it before it becomes larger. So it is very important that we involve QA from the early stage of software development. So that way you can ensure that as and when you proceed through the next stages of software development, you're going to improve the quality of the product. That's one thing. Second thing, include test planning. When you have a proper plan in place, you can do the activity more smoothly and effectively. You can do it in a systematic way. So you know what should be done, you know when it should be done. So that way, the testing happens in a more systematic way. So having a test plan is important. Reviews. Reviews play a very important role in software development. Now, when certain documents are created during software development, any document, it is good to review them to find any mistakes in the document. Because if there are any mistakes in the document, it will ultimately lead to defect in the application. So if there are any mistakes, we can correct them in the document itself before it is used. So according to the research, they found that almost 20 to 24% of the defects can be identified by just doing reviews. So reviews are important. Add integration testing to software development process. When developer develops a module, his individual code might be working, but when he integrates this module with the other modules, the system might just break down. So it is important that we test if the integration of these modules are correct. They work fine when they are put together. So integration testing should be included. Automate when possible. Automation testing, the scope for automation testing is increasing at a larger scale. Why? Because it helps you in doing things faster. It saves your time and cost. It gives confidence to the management, and it gives early feedback to the developer regarding the quality of the software. So we bring in automation as much as possible, identify areas and automate them. Prioritize user experience. Focus on usability, focus on the user friendliness. If there is any software which is a good quality one but I cannot use it, if it is very complex, then customers may not be able to use such application. So we need to focus on the user friendliness or user experience of the application and get your doubts clarified. Make sure that you understand the requirements well. Any queries, any doubts, you get them clarified before you start testing the application. So these are some best practices that we can follow as part of quality assurance process. Now you have certifications available for quality assurance. One such certification is ISDQB. ISDQB stands for International Software Testing Qualification Board. So this is an internationally accepted certification for QA. Certification is like a benchmark of knowledge. So if you have certification, it is easy, and it is more likely that your resume gets shortlisted. So you know the concept well. So it proves that you know the concepts of quality assurance. So it streamlines your testing process. You can put these concepts onto the table when you're working on a real time project. So certification plays a very important role. When you know something about quality assurance, it measures the knowledge that you have regarding the topic. And ISTQB is one such certification which is valid worldwide across the globe and widely accepted certification when it comes to testing or QA. Now let's understand the scope of quality assurance in future. QA is one of the fast growing area in software industry. That's because as long as the softwares are being developed, QA is something which will always happen. As long as they're developing the application, someone has to test them. Someone have to ensure that the process the company is following is the correct one. So it has a lot of scope in the job market. Customers, they prefer high quality software, which in turn leads to the business growth. So over a period of time, it is observed that the job market, the job openings for quality assurance is increasing day by day. And the role of a tester is not static. You need to upgrade your skills. There are more complex applications coming up, which gives a lot of scope to testers to enhance their skills, to learn new tools, to learn new technologies. Especially automation has a very bright future in QA. So this figure shows you the job openings in quality assurance. It's now one of the most promising job in software industry. So if you notice the graph, the job market for QA is increasing day by day. As and when the complexity of the application is increasing. If we compare the applications that we had 10 years back, now the applications are more complex. We can access these applications from handheld devices like mobile phones, tablets, or even smartwatch. Making the application accessible on all these devices demands for a proper QA process, demands for a good testing process. So that is why the scope and job market of QA is booming. The work of a test engineer is challenging. It's not all about testing the application, it's about how you can break the application, how you can make the software a good quality product. You have a lot of responsibility towards the quality of the product when you're working as a QA engineer. So this is one of the fastly growing job market in the software world. So who can take this course? So quality assurance is perfect for beginners from IT or non-IT background. The concepts are simple, easy to understand, yet when you start working, it is a challenging role. Or a high school diploma, college, university graduates who want to start their career as a QA professional. So it is for them. Or a business analyst who wants to have a knowledge of the QA process, because nowadays QA plus BA is something which many organization demand. So business analyst who wants to have the knowledge of QA process, it is good for them. So it can be anyone who wants to start their career in QA can take up this course. So that's about quality assurance. So we learn the basic things like what is quality, what is assurance, what is quality assurance, why we need QA, what is the scope of QA in future, and how is the job market. So that's all I have in this session. So we do provide a detailed job oriented training on quality assurance. Please do visit our website at www.getsoftwareservices.com for more details on the topics covered and what tool trainings we provide. We do provide various tool testing tools trainings. So please do visit our website for more details. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.